हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल क्रोश लाइक प्रो। सो कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आई होप सभी अच्छे होंगे। सो टुडे आई मेक मोस्ट वायरल स्क्रंचीज। सो फर्स्टली टेक योर फेवरेट yarn and tie a knot over a elastic. So take your hook, yarn over and then the yarn here. So this not a single crochet, here you just attach the yarn. Now I make the first chain. Total you make 43 or 45 chains over the elastic. At the end of the elastic you make a one slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Now I insert pink yarn into the blue stitch like this and make total 5 or 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Skip 3 stitches and in 4th stitch make a slip stitch. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5 6. Skip 3 and insert into the 4th stitch and make a slip stitch. Repeat this process all over the elastic. And at the end you have to make like this. And now I just start round 2 by this same process. Make chain 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Skip 3, insert the hook in middle stitch and make slip stitch. This type of pattern will begin. Now I had completed round 2. Cut the yarn. Now I insert purple yarn, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, tie a knot, then make chain 1 2 3, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make a double crochet. Total I got 3 loops on the hook. Tie it together, make one chain, yarn over and insert the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 1. Now I got 4 loops on hook. Make chain 1 2 3, insert the hook, make slip stitch and tie a yarn. Make different color pattern on all over the scrunchies by same process.